Kaya kung tatanungin mo kung bibili ako ng mga camera lens protector, I would say no. Kung sakaling nagda-doubt ka kung magagasgasan pa rin ang mga camera lenses mo kapag nasa bulsa mo, baka nagkakamali ka na. If you've noticed, kapag pricey ang mga cellphone mo, hindi na gaanong nagagasgas ang camera lenses mo. And there's a big reason kung bakit. You see, Apple devices use sapphire on their camera lens. And alam naman natin kapag sapphire, isa ito sa mga hardest types of materials na ginagamit ng mga manufacturers, near to diamond. On a hardness scale, sapphire is around 9 and glass is just near 6-7. That means your keys will not damage your camera lenses. But Apple isn't just the only brand that uses sapphire in their camera lenses. Take Samsung, for example. They're using a high-end Victus glass or Corning Gorilla Glass para maiwasan natin yung paggasgas ng ating camera lenses. Kaya kung tatanungin mo kung bibili ako ng mga camera lens protector, I would say no to it. And there's a big reason kung bakit dinadrop lang ng mga content creators ang mga gadgets nila. Kasi most of the gadgets nowadays, talagang durable na sila. Panoorin nyo tong video na ito.
This is for scientific purposes, so you know how durable your iPhone is. No screen protector, no camera protectors. Don't ever use those. Camera, like, you're fine. Is that not enough? Oh no, it looks so terrible. Wipe it away.
Nakita nyo yung camera lens? Walang ka-damage. Like and follow for more.